all here at Panjim bus stand area. You can see all the youth are here and a lot of locals have come down to support. Because what has happened yesterday, when we as Aam Aadmi Party have come together for the protest, okay, because we want Pramod Sawant to resign, because the ex-governor of Goa, Satpal Malik, has directly told everyone on national media that our CM, that is Pramod Sawant, government is corrupt. Corrupt government. So when an ex-governor is saying that, it is our duty as citizens to come down and voice out, because we are not happy with what is happening in Goa. We are not happy with our Pramod Sawant, who is just blatantly using everything in his force to do corruption in Goa. So teka lagun ami sogli zaninga ha, because our funds, the COVID-19 funds, have been misused miserably, and that's why we can see during the pandemic time how the people have suffered in JMC and all the government hospitals. We didn't have proper infrastructure, there were no proper medicine, everything was in a haphazard way. And that's why a lot of our family members died because of lack of oxygen. There were no ventilators. Even in the ICU, there was flooding during the cyclone time. So this is how pathetic conditions were, and they have put us in. And Pramod Sawant's corruption has gone so high in Goa. We have been voicing that the borders should be closed, but he gave us a deaf ear because he wanted to make sure that he makes his money. But what about all of us Goans who have been suffering day in and day out? Even door-to-door ration, which they had promised to give the people, didn't go to the people. They closed down all the markets and they made people buy 700 to 800 rupees bags of ration when they didn't even want. The basic facilities were stopped. So this is where our funds have gone. So teka lagun ami sogli zan inga ha, because we are unhappy. This government has only given us trouble, right from bad roads to bad medical center to bad infrastructure. They have cut down trees in the name of development, and they have destroyed our mother nature. They do not care for Goa. Our beautiful Goa is getting destroyed, and this corrupt government, that is Pramod Sawant's government, is destroying. And we want Pramod Sawant to resign, because he has, I mean, you can see my board, 102 corruption level that has increased here with their governance. So BJP government, you all have to put him down right now.
First of all, yes.
But when he was here in Goa, it was the BJP government itself. So come what may, it was the BJP government that has done this corruption. And we have seen with our blatant eyes. I was part of the COVID situation inside JMC and outside JMC. I brought it out to the public. So no one can fool us. I have seen a lot of patients who didn't get beds. I've seen a lot of patients who didn't get medicine. I saw a lot of patients who didn't get oxygen inside. I saw a lot of patients who were struggling with their ventilators. Even old ventilators given to them. The mask, NIV mask also, which was given to them, were in a horrible condition. So I have witnessed it. I have witnessed also where the family members were not given electricity. They were not given charging point. They were not given food to eat. Food was asked to be kept out, and they were promoting the kind of a company, which is Sodexo company, which was dealing with food so that their canteen business can run. Who is making money on all this? It is the government that's making money. When the borders were asked to close, did Pramod Sawant close the borders on time? We were screaming and shouting. Even till today, the borders are not checked properly. I recently did a video with a gentleman who said that 250 is charged directly for people who do not take COVID test, and they are allowed to come inside. There is no control on the border. There is nothing happening. So this is an incompetent government which is running, and that to us CM Pramod Sawant, who's here sitting down, who's supposed to make sure that lives are safe, make sure that if any of the public is facing grievances, to come and address, not run away. Don't get police, because we have the freedom of speech. We have the freedom to address our concern. So why is he not talking to the media? If the ex-governor's statement is changed yesterday, when all media people, asked Pramod Sawant, why did he not speak a word on it? Why was he silent? So this is a question that we need to know. If he was true, he would have answered to you all saying this is all fake rumors, but he didn't answer. Because this is a kind of CM who doesn't care of the youth. He doesn't care about the children. Today, where is जॉब्स ना तांकां सगळ्याचे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल वाडल्या कोणाक त्रास जाता आम जनताक त्रास जाता रस्ते पिड्यार आहा कोणाक त्रास जाता आम जनता ऑल द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिशियल्स हॅव गॉट देअर ओन गव्हर्मेंट व्हेकल्स we have to use our own personal vehicles petrol prices have 105 rupees petrol price gas cylinder price then onions tomatoes everything oil prices everything has gone up who's getting affected it's a common man that is getting affected who's helping during the time of pandemic food was something that everyone needed they closed down everything and then they made ration bags and they told everyone to purchase it for 700 rupees. This is how you're giving. Even we as Aam Aadmi Party gave free ration bags to every doorstep. This is how you do door-to-door service. We will teach you how to do door-to-door service. Because our government, they only know how to make money, but they don't know how to give back to the community. It's a sad situation today, and whatever come what may. Pramod Sawant has been lying to the public from day one. 1st of November is coming closer. He said all potholes will be filled. What kind of quality of work is gone, how much commission people have eaten, and how long this will sustain, we do not know. 10,000 jobs people are supposed to get. Where are the interviews? People are called once for the interview, then after no sign of them. People are waiting for appointment letters. No news about it. Have you all got any calls till date regarding the jobs? No one. So this is what, there's no transparency, and you all also know that how much of money you have to give under the table to get a government job, even a private job. Today's situation is very bad. So who has to control this is the CM and all the 40 MLAs who are there on board. Our 13 MLAs have jumped from Congress to BJP for power and development. But today seeing Goa's state, it's in a horrible condition. And requesting all the people of Goa, come what may this coming elections in February, only one party that is honest is Aam Aadmi Party. Give us an opportunity because सगळ्याच्या घरान झाडू आसा. कित्याक आमी झाडू धरतात ते साफ करपाक आनी एक चान्स आसा 5 वर्सांनी votingाचो. So let's use that झाडू and clean and get honest politics in because this is the need of the hour if each of us have to save our Goa. Thank you very much.
A silent protest on the same topic with all our senior volunteers. Today we the youth have come out to support the senior volunteers to show that we are not scared of this BJP corrupt government because yesterday they were forcefully pushed in the buses, put in and arrested and they were threatened with sections where I was also there with them and we were told that non-bailable acts will be put on us. We said let it be, we are not going to take bail and as per that the government got scared and we are to show the government, the BJP government, we are not scared and we will not get scared of anyone and this is high time CM Pramod Sawant you resign of what you have done. It is high time, now resign.
It's very unfortunate what happened yesterday. Today Goa is suffering a lot under the leadership of Pramod Sawant. When our Goans were gasping for oxygen, when our Goans were searching for beds in GMC, when our Goans were trying to be alive during the COVID pandemic, Sawant was busy filling his pockets. I'm not saying this. This is said by the governor, ex-governor of Goa, Satyapal Malik. I thank him for exposing him because the people needs to know what's happening in Goa. Youth are jobless. Youth have no proper employment. And this guy only makes money. When everything was shut down, when people needed a good government, a stable government, these people were playing the blame game. CM Sawant was playing the blame game. And that's what he does always. When the blame comes on him, he does a blame game. He blames the other person. This is what we are looking for. We are looking for a stable government. But this Pramod Sawant is spoiling the name of Goa. And I say today, he should resign.
काल कितें जालें तें आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. काल तुमी आमचे मिडिया भाव तुमी आशिल्ले. आमी पिसफुली आझाद मैदानाचेर एक प्रोटेस्ट करतालो. पिसफूल आमचे प्रोटेस्ट जाले. तेजे नंतर आमची कितें रिक्वेस्ट आशिल्ली फक्त आमी थोडे जाणां वतले आनी सीएमाक जाप करून येतले. ते जर आमी करपाक सरले तेन्ना आमकां सगळ्यांक लाठी चार्ज करून डिटेन करून आमकां आक्षेप येला. आमकां थंय पावतकीर आमकां तेणी सांगूं ना कित्याक हाडला, तुमकां डिटेन केला, अरेस्ट केला, कितें चार्ज लागला तुमचेर, कांयच सांगूं ना. 5 जाली 6 जाली इतलो वेळ जालो आमकां खबर ना. लास्ट आमकां फायनली राती 1 वराचेर सोडला तेणी. कित्या खातीर आमी कितें करपाक गेले. एक बारीकसो आमी प्रोटेस्ट घेवन गेल्लो. तें पयर सत्येंद्र जैन तेणी जो एक जो आमचो गोवाचो हें आशिल्लो तेणी एक स्टेटमेंट दिल्लो दॅट गोवन करंट जी गोंयची बी जे पीची गव्हर्मेंट आसा ती सामकी करप्ट आसा म्हणून तेच एक्सपोज करपा खातीर आमी काल गेल्ले आनी ताका लागून आमकां असो हें केल्लो आमी आज आयिल्ले आसा काल आमकां व्हेल्ले आज आमी परत आयिल्ले आसा जस्ट टू शो दॅट वी आर नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ यू गायज आमी तुमकां कोणा भिना आनी आमी जितले पर्यंत आमचो CM हो रिजायन करना तितले पर्यंत आमी हो प्रोटेस्ट करतले आनी दीस वील कंटिन्यू.
काल आमचे आम आदमी पार्टीचे सगळे कार्यकर्ते जेन्ना प्रोटेस्ट करताले आझाद मैदानाचेर तेन्ना पोलिसांनी मॅन हँडल करून आमच्या कार्यकर्त्यांक अरेस्ट केलो. सो आमी फक्त इतलेंच मागलें की जे आरोप केल्ले सत्यपाल मलीक आमचो एक्स गव्हर्नरान की गोवा गव्हर्मेंट बिजी आशिल्लो करप्शन करपाक, मायनींग करप्शन, रेशन डिस्ट्रिब्युशन करप्शन आनी गोंयचो लोक सामान्य लोक घरान मरतालो कोविडा खातीर. जेन्ना गोंयच्या लोकांक खरेंच गरज आशिल्ली ह्या गव्हर्मेंटाची दॅट टायम गव्हर्मेंट वॉज बिजी इन डुईंग इट्स करप्शन. सो आमी इतलेंच मागता की गव्हर्मेंटान खंय तरी आपली नैतीक जबाबदारी घेवची आनी ह्या CMान रिजायन जावचें.
आणि भाजपाक सरकारा कडेन कांयच आन्सर ना म्हणून तेंच्यांनी काल अशें कृत्य केलें. जे तेंच्यांनी केलें तें सारकें ना. आतां फक्त ते जुमलाबाजी करीत आहात. इलेक्शन जेन्ना मुखार येता तेन्ना म्हणटात 10,000 जॉब्स दिता. 10 वर्सांची सरकार आहा कितें करता ते. इलेक्शन मुखार येता तेन्ना उदक फ्री 16,000 लिटर म्हणटा. आमी जेन्ना लायट फ्री जाता म्हणटा तेन्ना डिबेट करता. भाजपा सरकारा कडेन कांयच आन्सर ना. जेन्ना आमी हांकां क्वेश्चन विचारता हेंचे कडेन आन्सर ना. कोवीड टायमान हेणी कंप्लीट मिसमॅनेजमेंट केलें. फर्स्ट वेवान लोक मेले, सेकंड वेवान सुद्दां एकदम यंग लोक मेले आनी हे फक्त बिजी आसले करप्शन करपाक. जेन्ना हांकां क्वेश्चन विचारता हे ब्लेम गेम खेळटात. ब्लेम गेम एकूच लोकांचेर धुकलप. कितें जालें की लोकांक मर्डर जालो, रेप जालो, पेरंट्सान जबाबदारी घेवंक जाय. कोवीड जालो लोकांक लागून वाडटा कोरोना. हे जे भाजपाचे सरकार आसा हे जे काँग्रेस आनी भाजपा जे हेंच्या कडेन फक्त आमदार विकते घेवपाक पयशे आहात BJP कडेन आनी कांय ना. पण लोकां खातीर काय करपाक हेंचे कडेन आन्सर ना. आमी हेका विचारपाक गेल्ले जाप पण हेंच्या कडेन आन्सर ना. हे आम आदमी पार्टीक भियल्ले आहा म्हणून हे अशें करता. ह्या CMान रिजायन जावंक जाय, प्रमोद सावंतान रिजायन जावंक जाय ही आमची मागणी आसा. देव बरें.